What's the meaning of breach? Breach. Breach.
Breach. Breach. The term breach refers to a violation or failure to comply with a law, regulation, agreement, or policy. When a breach occurs, there can be a range of consequences, depending on the severity and nature of the breach. In some cases, a breach may result in financial penalties, legal action, or reputational damage. For example, a data breach can lead to sensitive information being exposed, which can harm individuals and organizations by causing loss of trust, identity theft, and financial losses. Therefore, it is important to take proactive measures to prevent breaches from occurring and to respond quickly when they do occur to minimize the impact.